Trooper Bonner was on routine patrol on State Route 23 in Brantley County when he observed a blue motorcycle traveling north at 71 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. When the trooper turned around and activated his emergency lights to conduct a traffic stop, the rider accelerated and refused to stop, initiating a pursuit.
We're coming in the city limits now. I keep you updated. He ain't getting too far. Alright, coming up on 520. He's about to run the red light. Just ran the red light. Clear, clear. Street. Alright, he just laid it down, 1050. He just got ejected, 1050, 1050. Go ahead and get EMS to me.
While attempting to pass a Ford F-150, the rider's helmet struck the truck's mirror, causing him to lose control. The motorcycle left the roadway, launched into the air, and struck a tree. The rider was thrown from the bike and died at the scene. First responders later secured the area, and the rider was identified as Mark Edward Johns. On July 11, 2018, officers responded to an attempted murder where a victim had been shot multiple times. Two suspects fled the scene in an early 2000s Ford Expedition with large wheels. Around 9:30 a.m., officers located the vehicle in the area of Constantine and Cooper, but the suspects immediately sped away, starting a pursuit.
608's monitoring.
Still westbound Charleston, approaching 28th.
608 confirming pursuit, and how many do you have with you?
Got one more unit. I've been shot at.
Are you injured? On DPAC with the air unit following the vehicle. We want to try to combine channels. So for Charlie 1, are you injured?
It's Charlie 4. I'm not injured.
Okay, copy. 6-1, I'm going to switch over to DTAC so we can...
Watch out! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired again!
Copy. Where are you at, Charlie 4?
Going northbound eastern from Charleston. Hey, back up! He's shooting! Get down! Hey, the other one's up there! Hey, the other one right up there!
The pursuit ended at Ogden Avenue and 18th Street. One suspect, Fidel Miranda, was pronounced dead at the scene, while the second suspect, Rene Nunez, was taken into custody with a gunshot wound and transported for medical treatment. On July 10, 2025, the Faulkner County Sheriff's Office reported they were pursuing a vehicle eastbound on Interstate 40 near the 135-mile marker. Trooper Tanner Crossland joined the pursuit as the suspect vehicle passed him at a very high rate of speed, weaving through traffic at nearly 100 miles per hour in a 75-mile-per-hour zone.
It's a white male driver. 64th primary.
Trooper Crossland soon took primary and performed a pit maneuver, sending the suspect into a concrete wall. The driver managed to flee again until another officer performed a second pit near mile marker 137, ending the pursuit. Officers blocked the vehicle and ordered the driver out, but he mocked them and acted aggressively. After a brief struggle, he was taken to the ground and arrested. The suspect was identified as Dustin Kirkendall and appeared to be under the influence. On November 2, 2024, a Tallahassee police sergeant attempted to stop a blue Kia sedan for a seatbelt violation. Instead of pulling over, the driver fled at high speed, starting a pursuit through the city. Florida Highway Patrol units soon joined the chase as the suspect continued driving recklessly.
Right, I'm going to stop. Southbound Blushdown, Bobby, yeah, turn around. Why we have the red one here, we're trying to see out here, so we're on the move. That's directed line. Get up there, Charger. Go around, go around, go around. Brakes are on. 58, Let's go on the street now, both down southbound. Come on around it, come on around it. Eastbound, let's go now. Let me get this intersection shut down. Going into TCC. We're going TCC, and I think speed on it. Damn! Suspects, it's like they're in there. Drivers in custody.
The chase ended when a trooper successfully performed a pit maneuver on Pensacola Street, bringing the vehicle to a stop. Officers ordered the three occupants out and took them into custody. The driver was identified as Malik Aziz Miller, who was later charged with aggravated fleeing and eluding and possession of more than 20 grams of marijuana.